The very first step that we're going to do now, we're going to make sure that our replacement window is the correct window for this opening. You never want to tear out the old window until you have the right window to go back into it. Okay, this window here, we're going to go ahead and measure it before we start tearing it apart. Start tearing the old window out. And we measure tip to tip. We are 40 inches on the width and 65 1/4 inches on our height. Okay, now with this particular opening, we're going to go ahead and we're going to reuse these stops around the window. And so when I measured this window, I went ahead and I measured from this stop over to the edge. I measured 40 inches to that inside of that stop there. So that way I know that I've got 40-inch opening to set the window into. And then for my height, I measured from the sill, from the stool to the very top, and that gives me 64 1/4 inches. And I measured the window at 65 1/4 because I know that I have 3/8 of an inch here, an extra 3/8 there, and then the window is going to sit down inside this stool, which is 1 inch thick. So with that 1 inch and the 3/8 I've got up here, 1/2 inch for the trim, I know that I've got more than enough room to set my new window in there.